Now we are going to do which session? Tell me, what is this? What are this? Tell me. Tomato. Vegetables. Vegetables. We are going to see vegetables now. Okay. Okay. What is this? Tomato. Which color? Which color? Red color. Okay. Tomato. You want to touch? Touch. Take this tomato. Okay. What is this? Bitter gourd. Ikshita. What is this? Nikita. Bitter gourd. Nitya. Bitter gourd. Okay. What is this, Jayasvi? Jayasvi, what is this? Lady's finger. Okay. Lady's finger. Okay. Okay. What is this? Brinjal. Okay. Brinjal. What is the color? What is the color? Yeah. Purple color. This brinjal. Ritvika, what is this? Brinjal. Nitya? Brinjal.